Finding the perfect gift doesn't have to break the bank. Sometimes the most thoughtful gifts are simple, practical, and fun. The kind of things people actually use and enjoy. So in today's video, we're sharing our top inexpensive gift ideas that would work for anyone, whether it's your coworker, your best friend, or a family member. So let's jump into the list. 24 cute socks. Not just plain socks. Think fun patterns, seasonal designs, something for sports, or cute fuzzy socks for cozy winter. They're practical, cozy, inexpensive, and you can never have too many. 23. Popcorn kit. Put together a little kit with gourmet popcorn, popcorn seasoning, and maybe even a cute popcorn bucket. It's perfect for a cozy movie night and for a person who loves movies. 22. Card game. Simple, fun card games are always a hit, and they're easy to bring along to family gatherings or night with friends. 21. Cinema voucher or gift card. Who doesn't love a good movie night? This is one of those gifts that works for literally anyone. 20. Cheese gift box. Put together a small selection of cheeses. Maybe add some crackers or even a small bottle of wine if you want to elevate it. Perfect for food lovers. 19. Fancy coffee beans. If they're a coffee drinker, this feels like such a treat without being expensive. You can also pair it with a cute coffee mug. 18. Paint your own mug. This is a fun, interactive gift. They get to create their own design, their own mug. It's fun and creative, and a gift that you can even do together. 17. Christmas ornament. It's seasonal but always thoughtful. Choose something unique or even personalize it with their name or a special photo on it. 16. Color by number mini set. These little art kits are relaxing, creative, and something people can enjoy on a quiet evening. 15. Mini waffle maker. It's small, it's affordable, and surprisingly useful. Everyone loves waffles, and these tiny makers don't take up much space. 14. Phone case. You can find stylish or funny ones for almost any budget. Just make sure you know their phone model. 13. Phone stand. Simple, but very practical. Great for someone who makes a lot of video calls or who loves to follow recipes while cooking or just watching videos hands-free. 12. Fun kitchen gadgets. Think avocado slicers, corn strippers, or pancake molds. They're quirky, affordable, and actually useful. The kind of thing people don't usually buy for themselves, but they will smile every time they will use these. 11. Travel size board games. Think of small Jenga or chess in a mini version. It's perfect for travel, small apartments, or just a quick game night. 10. Desk calendar. Small calendars can be customized with photos, quotes, or any designs really. Perfect for desks or nightstands. 9. Movie night in a bag. Pack some microwave, popcorn, hot cocoa, and a snack or two into a cute bag. Add a little note with movie recommendations. 8. Cheese board set. A small cheese board with a few utensils feels fancy, but is surprisingly affordable. Perfect for people who love to host. 7. Fun candle. Not just a plain candle, but think fun candles, creative shapes, or just some nice scents. 6. Mini car kit. It might sound boring at first, but it's very thoughtful and useful. Add a flashlight, tissues, wipes, snacks, and an air freshener. These things are always necessary in a car. 5. Nice hand cream. Especially in winter, a good hand cream feels like a little bit of luxury. 4. Travel-sized perfume or skincare set. These minis will always feel special to receive and are perfect for trying out something new. 3. Magnetic fridge calendar. A fridge calendar helps keep schedules and to-do lists visible for the whole household, and it doubles as a home decor. 2. Affirmation cards. A small deck of daily affirmations or motivational quotes. It's a great way to give someone daily encouragement or motivation they might need. 1. Motivational desk decor. Think small signs with inspiring quotes, a set of mini motivational notes, or even stylish affirmation cards displayed in a holder. The kind of gift that makes workdays feel a little bit lighter. And that's our list of inexpensive gift ideas that are simple but thoughtful, the kind of things people will actually use and love. Sometimes it's not about how much you spend, but about finding something that shows you've thought about them. We hope this video gave you inspiration for your next gift shopping. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.